Malta is a historic 5-star luxury property which was built in the 1930s and is the first and only hotel in Malta which is a member of the leading hotels of the world and a Campbell Grey hotel. What we've seen is that during peak periods, the ideas for setting up rates that we never dreamt of, and in fact we have seen double-digit growth in our rates year on year. It turned out that this system provided a 7% uplift in rooms revenue. Furthermore, for this year 2018, our average rate is already ahead of budget by €2.30. Being a small hotel, which is highly in demand during most of the months throughout the year, our aim is to maximize revenue by rates rather than going by volume. I decided to introduce Ideas G3 to be more competitively price positioned. I wanted to move away from a fixed bar level rate structure to a more flexible structure when pricing our rooms. With Ideas, I can achieve my objective in relation to our rate structure because besides the bar by day functionality, it also offers another function which is known as continuous pricing. Ultimately, I wanted a system which could provide also immediate insights rather than having someone extracting the data from your property management system and then import it into a specific format in an Excel sheet for further analysis. Our property was refurbished in 2017 and it took a full year to finish the whole project. So we didn't have any historical data. Due to this, we had to feed Ideas G3 with some sort of data. Now, Ideas offers an option which is referred to the limited data build, rate positions, hurdle rates, and also overbooking levels.